What's up everyone, VamCath back again with another RC tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to update the not so good stock settings of your Hawkeye Firefly Micro. So let's go ahead and see what we got.
Alright, what you're going to go ahead and do is open up your browser, go to the site cnfpv.com. You'll get a list of the most recent updates, and the most recent is at the very top. We're going to go ahead and click on update 0907. Underneath this download, you'll see the link. Go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and download your file. I already did that, so I'm going to go ahead and X out of here and open up the folder I have it under. There it is. Alright, but first what we're going to do is we are going to format our SD card to make sure there's nothing hiding on there that can mess up with our update. So go ahead and erase everything that's on there. Once that's done, go ahead and open that back up. So open up that SD card. Now all you do is click and drag the update you want into the SD. Once it's there, go ahead, X out of everything and disconnect. And let's go to the next step. Okay, now that we got the most recent update on our SD card, let's go ahead and put it back in the camera. Hit the power button and the LED will start flashing, indicating that it's updating. And as soon as it's done flashing and it goes solid, then the update's complete. And the update is complete. So now you turn it back off, reformat the SD card, pop your unformatted SD card in here, turn it back on, and it's reformatted. Simple as that.
Well, I hope that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And as always, have fun out there.